Booking a flight with Capital One Miles is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can book a flight with Capital One Miles. So the process is pretty simple. As you guys can see, I'm at my Google and I'm going to search for Capital One Travel. So this is what I'm going to search, and I will go to this website, which is Capital One Travel. Now, we know Capital One Travel is a website that lets you book flights and lets you book, all the traveling things, including hotels and other things as well. So you just need to, sign into your Capital One account, and you will see all the flights and all the things that you can book. Let me just navigate that for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, scroll down until I see the option for flights. So you just have to click on this blue book travel, and it will take me to the flight section. Now, as you guys can see, it wants me to sign in first. So after signing in, you will be able to see all the flights available and you can book and stuff like that. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can book flights with Capital One Miles. Hope you guys find this video helpful.